What's up, guys? Today we're working on a little tire swap. I got my old DRC 110 back here, and I got my Baja mini bike 200. I decided to take this big wheel off and put on a dirt bike wheel, regular dirt bike wheel. And it turns out that the freaking shocks that I took off that DRZ right there won't fit inside this outer railing right here. So, got the original forks back in there. This is the one that came, this is the bolt that came out of the DRZ. Then this is the big one that came out of the Baja. And got the DRZ shock right here. Got the Baja shocks here. Now what I gotta do is find a longer bolt that's skinny enough to fit in that hole. So, you guys, I guess this will be the summer project. Getting a couple new lights up there at the top. Tomorrow, so I can see, I guess this is part 1 of probably part 3. Just trying to swap these tires out. I think they look nice. Leaving the same, fucking dark. Leaving the same back tires on there, but putting a dirt bike tire in the front, just to see how it do. I might change the back tire. Not sure. If you want to, you can leave in the comments if I should change the back tire to that size tire too. But you guys, this is just part 1. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.